Hi, my name is Alex, and you are watching one of the videos for the UniSys Corporation. Now, keep in mind while watching these videos that the UniSys Corporation is relatively new as a company, and therefore some of its services and features are still under construction and may differ in appearance from the time that you visit the site or start using some of the services or watch the videos than they do here now in these videos. But we try to pretty much keep things in the same place and easy to find. Now we're going to begin this one by going to the administration panel. If you are not already familiar with the administration panel or the example test account, then you need to refer yourself to the very first training video, which covers the basics of the administration interface for those hosting clients. It should be under the help section or there should be some inconspicuous name such as part 1 or the basics. Now, if you will, go ahead and log in at the administration panel. For those of you that are existing clients, you are going to be clicking the homepage button, and when you click the homepage button, it's going to open your personal website that you have subscribed through hosting service for. For those of you that are not existing clients and just want to learn about some of the features that UniSys has to offer, you can use the experimental site, or the test site if you will, which is what I referred to a moment ago, and if you're not familiar with that, you will have to acquaint yourself with it via watching the very first training video. Now, assuming that you already know where you're going, go ahead and go to the test site and click the Contact Us button. In this video we're going to be covering the basics of using your messaging subscription. There's 3 different types of messaging, or rather contact from your site's visitors. There's the most primitive form, which would entail you having your contact information on your contact page, such as your phone number or your email address or your company's street address, so your visitors can contact you at their will. Then the next step up from that is a contact form, which appears essentially the same as the one you see here, and it is formatted with all the information into a human readable format and emailed to you. And the third form of contact is the data-based form, which is where you have this form here. Of course, it'll be styled to match your site, but it collects the information from the visitor and will put it into your account in a section of the database that you can access anytime from anywhere from any computer at your will, and it stores it for you indefinitely until you delete it. Now, the advantage to this is because, again, it's accessible from anywhere at any time from any computer, and you can read it or delete it and reply to it all from your web administration interface, as you will soon see. And also, you have the option of being notified via email anytime someone leaves you a contact. Now, we're going to begin by filling this form out so that we have some kind of substance or content in the administration interface for us to use as an example. The first field is required before the form will post, and the first field is your name. The second field is your phone number, which we can use whatever we want for an example. And the best time to reach you is not required, but its default is any time. Your email address, which is required, and your web address, which is not required, and who you were referred by, if even applicable, which can be left blank, and the image number is required, and that's to how do you put it, to help reduce spam and bots and just people wasting your website, wasting your time, wasting your website's or rather UniSys's bandwidth and your website's database. So let's go ahead and put that in here. And enter any comment in that you wish. And the comment, by the way, also is required. Obviously, if you were leaving no comment, you have no reason to be submitting anything. Go ahead and click Send, and they'll get a message saying comment successfully sent and redirected back to your site's main page. Now, in your administration interface, go ahead and click Messages. When you click Messages, you will see a list of messages in this format here. This is only one message. This is the menu. Now, the purpose of this right here is to sort by a specific column. The messages are automatically displayed by last message first format. In other words, they're sorted by time. You can also sort the messages by name, ascending or descending, meaning A to Z or Z to A. You can sort them by email, you can sort them by phone number, or you can sort them by best time to reach them. Now here's the delete button. It does exactly what it says it does. You click that, you'll be taken to a page where it asks if you are absolutely sure you want to delete the entry. We're going to go ahead and click no. Now to add this person to your contacts list or to email this person via Outlook, or if you're a Linux user, eMerge or any of the other applicable email programs, you just click the email address displayed here. Go ahead and click on time. Time is what's used because really you can't have two messages that are sent at the exact same time, but you can have the same person send you two different messages. So instead of clicking on the name, it's sorted by time. So we will click on that to open the message, or we can just click back. And when you open that and you're at the view the message page, it will display the person's details such as their name, their phone number, best time to reach them, their email address, their website, domain name, and the referrer if applicable. And then below that, it will show you their comment or question. Now down here you have the option to reply to it directly from your administration panel. The subject's populated automatically with the contact's name. So whatever they entered for their name when they left you the comment, it'll say and then their name. Then you can type your reply in the text box. And then hit tab, or you can use your mouse to click submit reply. And it sends an email from this screen directly back to that person. Now it is possible when you go to use this, that the daily limit of emails that you have subscribed to have already been reached. So if that were the case, then you would not be able to reach, or rather send an email. Now the last option of that is to delete the message, which is the only one we haven't covered yet. And after that, it gives you a confirmation message saying that it's been deleted, and there you go. That pretty much covers all the messaging. And the user who you have just replied to via the web administration interface will receive an email with an address stating that the email is from the UniSys Corporation, but may not necessarily be affiliated with the UniSys Corporation, or rather that it is affiliated with one of its clients, and it will have your response into it, or rather in the email. We are currently considering other features for emailed replies, and we are open to suggestions. If you have a suggestion, feel free to send it to contact@unisys-corp.com. That is CONTACT at UNISYS-CORP.com. That will conclude this training video. Thank you.